An upset daughter seeking closure. 34-year-old Puseletso Vanto says she has never found closure after her father's death, who was allegedly assaulted by a male nurse in 2010 and later died, while he was a patient at Worsened Mental Hospital. Evidence in an affidavit shows that Isaac Molefe's cause of death was blunt force trauma. Vanto described the death of her father as traumatic. She says the department has failed to bring closure to the matter after all these years.
When they explained to me when he went to hospital how he was, it's very tragic. It's very, very tragic. I always constantly have those imaginary pictures in my mind, how they explained how he was. I would honestly love to hear from their side. In such cases, what is it that they do? What is it that they do also to help the family heal? Because of that is trauma. Imagine being on duty. Your duty is there for you to help people. Your duty is to protect people. But you end up being the cause of those people's death.
Another family in Windsorton is also seeking answers about the state of their 73-year-old mother. Rebecca Setlabi was admitted at the facility in April 2022. According to her family, Setlabi was physically fit, but that changed after she was discharged in July that year. Her son, Diteko Setlabi, says after his mother was discharged, her health deteriorated and she is now paralyzed. He says they sent their mother to the hospital to become better, but she came back worse with no explanation.
We would like
to get help on this situation because our mom left the house in a normal state and now to not being able to move at all. We don't know what the problem is, and we would like to know what was the cause. We want to know the conditions of the hospital and the medications she was given, because all of a sudden her body started shutting down. She can't even move or bath herself. She is full of bed sores now.
However, the Department of Health has requested the families to lodge a formal complaint for the internal investigation processes to kick in.
We only came to know about these two cases, do a media inquiry. We have internal processes where a complaint can be laid, and through that process we are able to do our own internal investigation and be able to respond within a specific time frame. At the moment, it's very difficult to comment because I haven't seen the case. We haven't seen any formal complaint. So my response for now will be no commitment on saying what are we going to do about it until we've done our thorough investigation on this.
The department says after a formal complaint has been lodged, the department will respond within 28 days. Health officials say they are implementing the recommendations of the Ombudsman report that blames the department for the death of 2 psychiatric patients who died last year. Karabo Siyoko, SABC News, Kimberley.